Boingy boing. Boingy boing boing boing. Boingy boing boing boing. Boingy boing boing boing. And hello guys, we are going to speed builders. Here we go. Speed builders. Miss Gandalf. I'm Toy Bonnie. I'm not joking. My skin is Toy Bonnie. And guess what? I'm going to be building today. I'm on Rubbish Hat building. Check my building skills out. I'll see what we're doing and I'll lose it straight away. Watch me. I'm Rubbish Hat SP. Home from school. Jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dang it. I don't even know what's going on here. I'm gonna build. I'm gonna copy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Do. There. Then we put that there. This is how I think it goes. And I'm rubbish. I have a rubbish memory. That's bad. Dang it. I've lost. Go on. What do you present me? 10%. I am kicked out. Well, maybe you got 0%. Yeah, but that is how rubbish I am. Wishing back to okay, that isn't too bad. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, got it. So 1, 2, 3. It goes there. Yeah, I've lost. Look at that, I have lost. Yeah, I have lost. No, I've not. What he did. That is so bad. So bad. Right. 1, 2, 3 rows of that, okay. So we had 1, 2, 2. Yeah, they had a bed right here, didn't it? I'm not clicking outside there. I don't know what I did, but I've lost. Yeah, I've lost. That's how bad I am at the game. Oh, man. Bye-bye, boys. Yeah, boy.